to eat today, tomorrow you'll be miserable. I'm telling Captain Smart, Kwaku skirt, Maramo Kwabuadu, yes, oh baby, so come in the deal. Well, no, trauma me, or every video be the can Japan attempt. Oba see, I was a former see. Look at my teeth. Oba see, simproya, or baby. And I mean, you know, na can do what tell me, I must say, na can. Uyo benum ni si. Obenum si, ne setan time at 12 round to say, agrika bro amboye. Na na phone to say abo Jimmy Fobi, to say prekwa, or did you a form. And so a dick and a point because Kevin Taylor also. I was your for American crabby fantremo. Nipa, so can one say be brain and you cry, and you put in a couple pejano. Speak about Kenegapon 1 million times, God will forever bless that man. Ghana, we are tired, we are sick and tired of these stupid people. And to be for Dawson, one Dawson. And one Dawson too much. Me say maybe I almost see. Go ahead and ask him, Oba Pepe. Oba wa memma. Ni memma nyi ko henu. Kwasia mudi oba we atem. Na wa he wo yire. Wa he wunu aba, wa he wo ma mesi odigu nanum. Wo ma mesi a odida wura mu ho. Mudi nkofo atem because obi anka mo he. Me see the gentility of social media for us ending. Say ye mabie ma ye ma, but ye ba e oja. Because mun see obi awo. Because you have been paid to do so. Beware, the day of reckoning is coming. Nyame baba, na nyame maya, we will respond. You better respond with fire, with brimstone. A Jimmy Forma, ya woman, a be back Captain Smart, oba free SHS, kwasia, you didn't tell me. This is the man who can give the whole Ghana free senior high school. This is the president, the only president in the whole Africa. Obedeka said, go to school free. I'll pay. Jimmy Ford say, Captain Smart, let me say, Jimmy na Jimmy Ogana no, esubecha. Take your time, esubecha. Because you will be relevant for now, because who can draw very soon will be irrelevant. Once you go for starting who draw now who can. After a hospital is almost 90% complete. And then you John Dramani Mahama and the complete year will be a sign. I was a friend of Yano. And this is for one from whom you were. Samusha Sia, Munda in a Captain Smart or a Mamboini. And this is way. Samusha when Muchia Mundai. If you are behind this conspiracy, stop. Because potentially Mutimisabe rule or many PM. Yadibibayamu. John Dramani Mahama. Former president, if you are behind this conspiracy, stop, because potentially the NDC fraternity HBB deal money should be yet be bayamu. There goes an air time. This kind of false publication, stories that make Ghana look unpopular everywhere, distorted rhetoric. Why are we doing this? Because our poor bitch is Captain Smart. Jimmy Phobia and Mammy Anshan. No papa Anshan. Or he did with a booby or baby. One go school in Sentinel. What information for Ghana? Open views, we say. Today you are being paid $100 from YouTube. Tomorrow it will never be there. Because the world is evolving. A bedroom baby say Jimmy and Munya beam. To say, I say, Mudi among for who did dear, a superchat. A superchat, it will come to an end. I tell you, all this that you are doing one day, a superchat. And then I will get $200, $300 from YouTube because you are using this fake publication, insults, deformation of characters to earn this YouTube money. It will come to an end. It will come to an end. Because the world will never be like this as we see it. The world will move on. Because you are young, and Jimmy for my young Mudimanibrico Winko Fosso. Now one mobra, ukromu hini, and I'll do problem for one. Go and ask your mothers abrabo no ya omudan ko bi sa o ma mi se eye den wo mobra mo ma mi mu se bi producer e bo ahyewo de wo mu no mema na nyi o mo bi mo ma mi no bo ahyewo na de wo mu so you are bitter mo ma mi no bo ahyewo se be mema duasa e de wo ti di o mu dako e de wo mu no you people are bitter ko bi sa o ma mi why ya didn't go to one corner of the producer or about a hand was sort of a show a bois who crowding of water who need trust the watching. Would you do my net and yet there because woman may wear show? You do a time and yet there. Come on, I mean, no more brand show because you are bitter because your mother was a whore. Woman, me a whore into 7 producers. Papa no who said. We are tuntumno and also there be many no done. You have been bitter since your entire time. Until who will be our brabia there be because Mia Shawana boy a jado. And you know the impulse of this issue. Nipabia we are saying we are bar name member be fawa. A crowd of whom in a jareno. Calvin Taylor whom ne jareno. It is because Mia Shawana boy. And you think we will not say it, we will say it. Go to hell. Power he didn't come because now I'm power. Me see power he no. I am power he now or good them now I'm power because me was showing the best. Only trust you watching. A boy who cross one more the think of what him. A boy told you me see a people are me a shower on the ball. And na edi omunya wo mutrim you have been intoxicated by the fact that o ma me ashawo na o papa wa anyi because ashawo ni na o papa di no o se wonye wo. That is why you are bitter with even your own father because papa no oji wo bia kwasia ka bintela wo ni twase ni wati aboa e wo se yentimi ni matem yo he ye ni ye kwasia medinka ka se me asini kurase ni me yadishia media de but masa o kanu anka ni ya me de hiham ne to nkyɛn me di watam bi rough Ghana panifo na mo di o matam ne de ya mo bi ye crusaders ye so be di matam se monya new paradigm bi na mo di panifo atam a we also create a new avenue to respond to you mu wasefo mu ankurasefo a sabe makotena Germany akotena US a mu nsu anyansa de minimu ina minim se so bia to kwan a yesi sebi akwantu e bia ni no menim se sa akwantu we Ghana for mubi ekatani. I have never in my life baby am to kwan ko bia no omo bi share omo no they are opening their eyes because on pe bia coffee na menim se sa Ghana for mubi when you travel your eyes close because mubi mo gisi mi dodo mo ya